Hey guys, Marty Boots here. I want to bring this altcoin to your attention here. Um, it's a fractal of Link. When Link just started, when the inception of Link just started, it had this sort of pattern right here, and you can see here on Ocean, it had the same pattern. We drop right off, we formed that base. You can see here we drop right off, we formed that base. We formed resistance. And when price broke out, it became support, and we back tested in this area before moving into a 400% bounce to the upside. Now, if I put that up there, you can see that's basically 400%. Now, we have a similar, very similar setup. Now, look at the volume, guys. Look at the whales accumulating this before the move. Okay, volume precedes price. Very important. You want to trade with the whales. Now, we have a very similar situation here. You can see that we've formed the same pattern here. We dropped down, we formed the base. We have broke out of the base. We've back tested it. Support, we've flipped support, flip resistance, and now become support. Essentially, we are sitting right here in a way. You can see that this U-shaped pattern, the U-shaped pattern shows that the bulls are strong and the bears are weak. You can see that we're in the middle of forming a U-shape, potentially forming that U-shaped pattern. We've bounced off support. Now I would love a dip back down. I don't know if we'll get one more dip back down before that move. That would be ideal. But I will be looking to get long on this. I'm not long yet, and I will be looking to get long. If he's needed any help, get taking some trades or whatever, just take the 3-day free trial down below. We have a group of fantastic members. We have a ton of buy and sell alerts every single day, and we also have $1 million worth of courses, 4,000 courses. So if you're interested, guys, just take the 3-day free trial down below. So I'm going to leave that here. If you're interested in this trade or others, yeah, just come into the live trading room. Guys, some of these altcoins are really setting up here. I know it's a bit tricky yet. It's a pretty red day today, but honestly, I think that this market is starting to really set up. As Bitcoin drops a little bit, some of this money is going to come out and push into the altcoin market. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's update. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.